How do you moisturize your hair? Do you know how to moisturize your hair to prevent it from dullness with split ends? Moisturizing your hair effectively involves a combination of techniques and products tailored to your hair type. Hello, welcome to my channel. Consider it by subscribing if today is the first time, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and the support. I really appreciate it. So let's get into the video. This is my girl and her hair is so dry, and I'm using this opportunity to show you how I moisturize her hair. I'm doing this in sections, and the bottle I have here, I have some leave-in conditioner with water. Yes, so I first spray the hair and then section her hair, go ahead and spray into her scalp, pay attention to the ends, and then rub it. Make sure every strand is soaked with this product or the leave-in conditioner and the water. You can see it's tangled there, and I have to detangle it. So I go ahead and spray on the hair and then leave it for some time, and then I use this small nail comb, yes, to take away the knot, not to break it, just gently pull it through, and then you use your hands to gently open that tangles, okay, so that you can detangle it without any breakage to the child's hair. Please be gentle with this. It will take time, but because we want the hair to be healthy and also retain the length, that's why we have to be gentle. So the second product I'm going in for is a moisturizing cream. So this is the amount that I am using. I rub it in my palm and then apply to the hair. So you have to be gentle, open it up, cream. You need these products to help the hair to be moisturized, okay? So I pay attention from the scalp, make sure every strand has this moisturizing cream. So maybe in another video I'll show you another way you can moisturize, but today let's focus on this one. So the first one I used was water and leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner helps the hair to retain moisture throughout the day, okay? And you know water is also very good. Even if you don't have the product and you have water, you can still use it to moisturize your hair. And the third thing I'm using is my DIY hair butter. You take a little amount of it, rub it, and then you apply to the hair, the working hair. You have to do this in sections, okay, so that you have more time to manipulate the hair, so that you will not cause breakage to the child's hair. So I take my time, and then I use my fingers. You have to use your hand first to detangle it well before you use the comb. The comb is the last part of it, so that when there is knot in it, you see how the comb is going through it. There is no knot in it to cause breakage to the hair. And after that, I put it in a twist like this to prevent it from tangling again. So this is the reason why I put it into a twist form. So you can see the hair is so soaked and is so moisturized with this product. So I repeat the process like that. So you continue, touch the hair with gentleness, and then you focus on the scalp, the strands, the ends, because the ends tends to break the hair so much. So we don't want that, so we spray everywhere. Massage it. You have to massage it, okay? Yes. And By incorporating these methods into your hair care routine, you can effectively moisturize and maintain a healthy, hydrated hair. The hair also needs water. The hair also needs water, as the body also needs water. The same thing applies to the hair. What we do inside the body, we have to also do the same to the hair. So here I had another challenge. There's what? It's tangled. So I have to do the same process, spray it, leave it for some time for it to soak, and then you use your fingers to open the knot. Not too hard to break the hair, gently. You have to have time for the kids, for their hair, so that their hair will grow so beautifully healthy, and then you can retain the length that you want for the child. Before you use the comb, the big tooth comb, you have to use your fingers to detangle it well before you use the comb. Please, mothers, use your fingers. Even if it's for yourself, you can use your hands to detangle it before you use a comb. So I go ahead and then add my butter. I will leave the link for the DIY hair butter that I made for them, and then you can watch that video. So I open the hair in between the scalp, I cream, I do it so that every strand, you see the way the hair is soaked with the product? Yes. So every strand has this product, and the hair is going to be moisturized for like 5 days. By the time it's dry and then I want to make the protective style, you still see that the hair is so shining, and you have the product in it, not dry to cause breakage. Okay, so I repeat the process again. Yes. So if you like what I am doing, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Comments, please, I need your comments. If you have any other ways that you do your child's hair, moisturizing it yourself, you can please leave a comment in the comment. It helps me. I have the time to read your comments and also make video on that. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. So the last ingredient I'm using here is my DIY hair oil. That's the last ingredient. The hair needs oil. Okay, so I pay attention to the scalp, the ends of the oil of the hair. Okay, so natural oils such as jojoba, olive oil, argan oil, DIY hair oils, you can use it to the hair so that it locks that moisture, and this will prevent the hair from freezing. Okay, so I'm brushing the ends, and I'm going to put this into something like a bantu knot so that I don't expose the ends so much. The ends gets to dry, and then we don't want that. So you see, this is how I made it, and then I brush. See, the hair is so shiny, moisturized, and it looks so good. And this can last for like 5 days. Yes, it can last for 5 days for me to add another moisture to it, and by 5 days then I'm done with the protective style, so I'm good to go. See the way the hair is shining with the oils and all that. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment for more videos like this. Bye.